Alright, well, I got this thingy, and it's the Zhiyun Smooth Q Gimbal What's It Do Free thingamajiggy, and obviously it's not very good when it's not turned on, so I'll turn it back on, and it should just ding. Now it's struggling because it's balanced from a mobile phone, right? But so I've actually made a little adaptation for it. Well, not for this actually, for my little sports camera. I have, let's grab it, this little devil here, and it's the AEE Action Cam, which is the model S50 Plus, and it's okay. Yeah, it's not a bad little bit of kit, but I wanted to be able to use it at this. Yeah, my Zhiyun Smooth Q, and I'm really happy with this thing, because this thing's really good, really cool, and it's not the best action cam in the world, but it works and does what I needed to do. I just use it for odd stuff like stick it on the dog and what have you, and not stick it on the dog, you know. I've got a thing, oh yeah, I've got this, I'll put it on the dog and I can video and being silly. Anyway, the reason I'm doing this video is because I made something, you know, as a woodworker. I'm very tight and I don't want to buy stuff. I made this little wooden device in oak, painted black. Yes, it's very sleek, and it works really well. And if I could find the screwdriver that I use with it, it's around here somewhere. Come on. What you do is you literally have this here, and that screws onto that screw there. If you look at this, so it's made in wood, got a slight angle in the bevel on there, so it fits in the effectively what the phone mount is, because it's designed to hold a mobile phone, and that fits in here like so. So if I put that on, these things are always fiddly though. It goes on like so. So it goes in like so, because it's got a lead weight on the back here for the counterbalance of the actual little camera, sports camera, and it fits in there like so. Not too difficult. And there you go, that's in. So it's quite a simple little thing, really. It's big. It's got quite a lot of weight in there now. And then we have the actual sports camera itself is screwed onto this part here. Just need to find something to screw it on with because I can't find the screwdriver. Oh, that's nice will do. That's how my missus wires a plug. Yeah, very reassuring, isn't it? There you go. So, as you can see, it's now mounted on the actual gimbal, the Zhiyun Smooth Q. So if I just turn it on, I haven't balanced it yet. Oh, there you go. It worked, and then go da da da. So press the mode button 3 times, and it spins round. So now I have the little screen on the back for the viewfinder and what have you. And so if I can turn it on, maybe which way to do it. Now it's turning on. So I'll spin it around, you see. Ta-da! You can't focus because I'm too close, but there you go. Even better. Oh, I got some fun with this. Sorry. So, with this little gimbal and my little wooden attachment, I can then alter the angle of the camera, I can move the camera handle about. So it's a great way of keeping a steady shot, you know, with your hand holding the sports camera, and you know, you can pretty much keep a fairly level horizon and move it about quite nicely. So yeah, it seems to work really well. And it cost nothing, did it? Because I had all the bits and pieces, the scrap wood that I already had, tiny little piece anyway, it could be part enough to yoke. But if you can see how I've done it from there, if I just focus your things. So I've got a manual focus at the moment. And if you can look at the fact I've wrote the arrows of this end here all the way around yeah, to there, and that's where it sits to where the mobile phone would normally sit. So it can't come out. Once it's in there, it can't come out. So it works quite well. I have seen some videos before I made this of people doing their own versions of how to mount it onto the gimbal, but they didn't balance the gimbal with the camera on, and that means your gimbal's actually working overtime to try and keep the camera level, and in most times it's going to fail. You're going to ruin your gimbal and wreck all the little step motors in it. And the other way I saw it was with a rubber. So instead of being in vertical mode, I saw it with like a rubber to give you the extra, so it can grip something small. And that was rubbish as well, because you can't see the screen. If you've got a screen, you might as well have it, mate, and use it. So I made this little device up to be able to use my screen and what have you, and it seems to work quite nicely. So there you go. I hope you found it of interest. There's no point me showing you how to make one, because it depends on what sports camera you've got and what gimbal you've got. Because it's you might have the DJI mobile version of this. It'll be different as well, won't it? So that's my gimbal adapter for my sports camera. In this case, it's the AEE S50 Plus, which is an okay 1080p sports camera. So it's not the best in the world, but it works. It does what I wanted it to do. I could put it on autofocus, but the problem I find with the autofocus, it jumps around all over the blinking place. So I'll see what happens if I put it on autofocus. But if you would be most kind and subscribe, we'd be most grateful. So you say if I go forward, I'm out of focus, in focus. It jumps around, it can't seem to. I have to move slowly. Yeah, slowly. I'm using the Nikon D3200 DSLR, and it's only entry level, so it's okay. But it seems to want to track in and out of focus constantly. So I do that, out of focus. Do that, I'm out of focus. I do that, I'm out of focus. Oh my god, stop that now. Anyway, please subscribe, and I'll put some more rubbish on. Thank you for watching.